Balik po tayo dito sa loob ng Mall of Asia Arena. Lamang po ng dalawang set ang defending champions at Ateneo de Manila University. Tell us what happened in that second set, Mosey.
Well, again, more attack points for the Lady Eagles and 2 more blocks for them. Service aces, none coming from UP in that set. Sayang, they were able to neutralize each other sa pagdating sa errors. So, yun again, UP was not able to capitalize. It's really more of yung UP, I think, not executing the plays that I'm sure they practiced. Medyo hindi rin magaganda yung first balls nila. And Hekeliana doing a bit of a matrix move right there. And iniwasan yung bola. And a good decision.
UP with 4 service errors after that one. Ateneo with 3 for themselves, but they have 5 service aces as to UP's 1 as Molde adjusts in midair. And the tip still by De Leon and Valdez as Maraguinot scores her 14th point. She leads all scorers here in this match. She has 14, Valdez has 10. Bersola and Tiamzon, they stay at 5 for UP. Let's check out Laura Lehman from the Ateneo side.
Boom and Mosey, with the energy that these girls are showing, one couldn't guess that a lot of these girls are injured or recovering from illnesses. In fact, it got so bad for one player that she had to miss Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday practice to recover. And so as the season lengthens, the girls are getting more and more fatigued. But Coach Tai truly believes that meditation helps to preserve their energy and restore their health. Now, another thing that drives them is motivation from their supporters. Both the Ateneo President and Vice President, Father Jet and Father Nemi, respectively, attended practice last night to talk to the girls, give them advice, and inspire them for today. That's all for now. Boom and Mosey.
Actually, by this time, you can say that most players of all teams,
Tama.
wala nang 100%, ano, Mosey?
Well, in fact, alam mo, napakalaking advantage kung healthy yung buong team.
When you say healthy,
Yes,
lahat naglalaro at
lahat,
least.
oo.
Diba? Injured, nasa lineup. Kasi
Correct.
merong mga naglalaro, merong mga nasa
May
lineup.
kulang na.
Pero
Oo.
may iniinda.
Correct.
Or may sakit nga, sabi mo nga. As, we are at 2-3. Now, in the second set, dikit yung simula natin. But bumitaw sa dulo ang Ateneo. And let's see if UP can change here in the third set. Ang tagal nung yung yung parang in-between set ng conversation ni Jerry with the girls kanina. It was like this long pep talk that he did prior to the start of the third set.
Again, gusto niya may makuha pa rin sila, no? I mean, win or lose in this match. You have to take away something, you have to learn something. Ganun din naman sa Ateneo. Hindi naman dahil defending champion sila, they won't learn anything from UP. In fact,
You gotta stay sharp also.
yes, exactly. And in fact, dapat nga, di ba, i-address nila bakit sila natalo ng UP in that dun sa game nila, no? In the second round.
Service error. It's Jerry in his third year. And a lot of these kids that he's teaching now are all his products. High school, from the national team. And the future is bright for the Lady Maroons. Solid pickup by Morado. Free ball, which turns into another free ball. But it's still, wow, how did that end up as a point for Ateneo?
And Ben Leon, with a miss hit, gets a point. Ayan, entry na tuloy siya. Hindi, happy pa rin.
Kids are out today on this Saturday weekend. Final 4 action between Ateneo and UP. Number 1 Ateneo looking for their 5th consecutive finals appearance. For
But there you go.
Yun sinasabi ko kanina, Mosey, I'd like to see a few more faster sets, no? For
Nawawala
UP.
nga.
So, speaking of UP, puntahan natin si Nini Aldia.
Comparing how the Lady Maroons were at the beginning of the season to how they are now, head coach Jerry Yee believes that they have definitely matured and physically the girls' movements have been faster and smoother. Ngayon, kailangan ni coach na hindi sila kabahan and also preserve communication lines is open. Tignan niyo ang lahat ng assistant Coach Catessa girls at bago nagsimula ang set, Coach Jerry told them that he believes in them and was encouraging them na sobrang kaya pa nila bumawi. Boomen Mozzie?
Yung matagal na usapan kanina. In between sets, Coach Jerry will sit down at this first technical timeout of set number 3. Like we said, it is UP Ateneo Day and the Final Four Day. Ito yung kaninang kupunan as Mr. Deser, Mr. Tan from UP, and of course our Commissioner, Noringo. Eduardo Deser, Mike Tan, all in attendance. And how about the job of Ms. Noringo for this year as hosts for the UAP and UAP volleyball in general.
Tuloy
Congratulations.
na to, tuloy na. Tuloy.
Hi! Congratulations, madam.
By ano daw, public demand.
Demand.
Sasakalin tayo.
Outside hit by Joe Maraguinot. Point for UP. UP's got to get their energy going. It's really
Yeah, they're not so energized
Yes.
in this match. In fact, parang na-stop sila after yung mga errors nila in the
Yeah.
first set.
they cannot show that they're
Yes.
defeated already. Ano? Dahil a team like Ateneo is gonna pounce on that.
And plus, nagkakaroon naman sila ng mga defenses nila. Yung defense nila, maganda naman, hindi naman ganun kasama except Amy Ahomiro again nailing another quick hit.
Man, that looks good, doesn't it, Modi?
Oh,
Look
yes.
at that. It just looks so
Ito na yung nawawala. Yung blocking na
young
yun.
ng UP.
Hindi sila pwedeng mawala sa blocking.
They're left
It
guessing
has
right now.
to be
Ano?
there.
They're left guessing in terms of sino papalo. And credit again to Gia Morado for that one.
Oh,
And that's another point for Ateneo.
Eliza Valdez getting the point through the block. Yung drop ball niya, nababasa na ng UP eh.
10-5, the defending champions. 7th consecutive Final Four appearance. 8 all in all, looking for 3rd straight title. Comes on, sends it to the other side. Morado chooses Alomiro. This time it's low.
Yes, it's a low set. Amy getting it actually into the net.
Scanning the opposition was Eliza Valdez. Open, a service error by Jewel Lai.
And speaking of Eliza Valdez, yung pa napupunta pa lang London yan along with Rachel Soltones and Kiefer Ravena for set spike dunk.
Nice.
So yung mga Pinoy sa London,
Nice.
watch out for them.
Nanonood sa ating isang bansa.
Oo. Ang dami na namang puyat, boom.
Oo.
And
Watching through TFC.tv.
And you know, partner, ang daming nag-intay dito sa game, ha. Yun ang maraming fans din ng UP, and they really waited for this game, especially UP Ateneo tayo men's and women's division. And there you go, Carlos from the middle.
They gotta go for it now. I mean,
Yes.
yung mga tapik ni Molde, hindi na talaga
Hindi na pwede.
gumagana. They gotta start swinging.
Which all year long,
They
ay
have
hindi
been.
naman, all season long, we've been seeing them go for hard-hitting spikes, but Molde getting another error on the serve, wide on that serve. But you know, given that Molde is a rookie, he's amazing.
Amazing, yeah.
Diba?
No question.
In this season, but another ace.
And this is what I was just saying a few moments ago. If a defending champion like Ateneo can smell blood, they're gonna go
Yes.
for it. And right now they are smelling blood. They're trying to put UP away
Correct.
here. It's up to UP to really fight back here. 7 for them, 14 for Ateneo.
There you go. Yapson getting another off-the-block point that she has to lead this team. Sila ni Cathy Persola. And look at that, challenging the blockers of Ateneo. Getting that point to go.
Hats off again to Nicole Tiamzon.
Oh, yeah.
What she's done this year, trying to adjust to the new talent and the skill of the other players who come in as Valdez attacks this one. She has accepted her role
Yun,
very
I was
well.
gonna say that. You know, yun yung pinakamagandang nangyari kay Nicole this year. You know, if you tell her to set, she will set. If you tell her to spike,
Ayun,
she
palo na
will do
naman.
it. And she will even score if she wants to.
And the UP crowd is trying their best, Mosey, to
Correct.
re-energize the 6 on the floor right now as Tiamzon was accepted whatever Coach Jerry wanted her to do this year. Hekiliana sent back, but it's out.
Off the block point.
So it's still a 6-point lead in set number 3, 15-9. Don't forget, Final Four action continues tomorrow. FEU and LaSalle, number 3 and number 2, will battle it out.
Yun pa, no? Dami rin nag-aabang. Ganda rin yung matchup na yun. Molde from the back row.
Speaking of,
Pumawi naman, Liza Valdez.
Estraniero, back set to Tiamzon. 3 straight points for her, personally. And again, you kind of feel the half of this crowd really celebrating each point just to give them some life.
Yeah.
Get them back into this match. Remember, they said on social media, Coach Jerry said, we want to put on at least a show.
Oo,
No
yung laban.
expectations. Yeah.
Yun ang maganda kay Coach Jerry. I think, hindi naman na-pressure yung girls. But
Pero ito,
Maraguinot,
pinatungan yung bola.
she has a mission today.
And Joanna Maraguinot leading all scorers and leading her team to a 6-point lead in the second technical timeout of set 3. Babalik po tayo dito sa loob ng SM Mall of Asia Arena. And a technical timeout, 16-10 for Ateneo. They lead 2 sets to love. Boom Gonzalez, Mosey Ravenna. Arabia CBN Sports and Action. I don't know how to paint that picture.
Isang kabado, isang parang chill na. Chill.
Relax na siya,
Oo.
parang naniniguro na. Tiamzon, by the way, has 10 points on 10 attacks, so that's 11 on 11. Yan ang porsyento.
Oo, and yan ang pinag-uusapan natin kanina pa, di ba? Tiamzon and Bersola.
Now, she's in the back row now. She serves, obviously. We'll see who's going to take over here. Somebody touched the net. It's on an Atenean. So, a couple of points here.
Right, and ito na yung time. Siguro if UP will play catch-up, this is the right time as we'll see the net violation.
The scrape.
Yep, of 80.
Tinatawag na scrape. Service ace.
And Tiamzon scoring another one. Yan yung nawala sa kanila. Remember in their last encounter, kaya napanalo nila yun. They really
Service.
risked it to serve.
First time out ni Coach Tai dito. That is Coach Tai's first time out. The battle of the crowd. UP fight versus one big fight. Rising, cascading through the arena.
You just love this UP crowd. Ano naman?
Will it be enough though to get them to fight back here? They're down 3. 13-16. Maraguinot finds an open spot, but Carlos was there. Bersola with a left hand. Bersola with a right hand.
Oh, and
Ambidextrous.
that's
The
right.
captain on that move. Ito muna yung kaliwa. Bumalik ang bola sa kanya. Kana naman. Bersola with 7 points in this match. Lead us down to 2. Oh, and a bullet released by Joe Maraguinot. She goes for the kill.
Maraguinot once again on the open hit.
What
Look
power.
at her fly.
What power.
And she likes that spot. Yun yung pinakamahirap doon sa gitna ng dalawang defenders, back row defenders. Oh, Bersola. And going for that attack. She deserves that point. Go totally deserves that point.
And Mosey, it goes back to our conversation. Bersola and Tiamzon, they're the ones who have to carry this team of youngsters. Bersola's going to go out because Dorog's going to serve for UP. They're down 2 here. Sila talaga eh. But they want to go anywhere.
In fact, ang binabanggit nga natin kanina, they will lead by, hindi naman nga example eh, basta lead the team lang. But now, they're even by example, silang
Yes.
dalawa.
Oh, nakakita ng buwang si Guitre. So it's down to 1 from a high of 6
Ito yung leading na sinasabi natin, that you also push the other players.
to do.
Diba?
Yeah. Because if the leaders, the veterans, show that kaya pa, susunod yung mga bata. And that timing of that service error couldn't have been more worse.
Sayang at sana tight.
Momentum,
Oo,
oo.
tsaka tight ball game sana. But
Two-point
it's just a 2-point lead for Ateneo.
Joe serving. And she
Oh!
again has been targeting, well, Ateneo team has been targeting Molde really in this match as much as they can. And Coach Jerry will call his version of a timeout.
Nangyayari sa atin. Sana kinuha mo na, kahit na ba outside yan, kunin mo na ng tama. Diba? Alangan ka, di tumama sa'yo. Yung speed, hindi nyo napapansin eh, masyadong mabilis. Hindi tayo nakakaabot. Gising, gising. Ikaw nandiyan sa harap, diba? Oh, gising, yung tao mo lang, yung area mo.
Ateneo goes back to their low, fast serves to try to get themselves out of a bind. It was a down to 1-point lead after leading by 6. Now a little more space. 3 points and the leading scorers on deck.
Actually, partner mo naging baliktad. It's now Ateneo is punishing
Sa service.
UP sa service line, diba? They're making it hard for UP to set up their play. Na kanina-kanina pa nga nangyayari. Because pag ang UP, kung maganda lang ang first ball, definitely you have a Molde, you have a Guitre, you have Bersola, you have Tiamzon. You also have Carlos.
Tiamzon's on the bench right now, egging on her team as the Hope Christian High School standout Jewel Lai on deck.
Oh, nice serve.
Chance for UP to tie here. They go to Molde. Maraginot pops it right up. Morado, Valdez, sent back. It's going to be a joust. Kaiser was there. Wild rally. Oh! Kaiser had it. And Coach Jerry says it's okay.
Yep.
Wala ka na magagawa kasi
At
dun
saka,
eh.
Lumaban. That's
Lumaban
what
eh.
you want to see. Diba? Mahaba yung rally, nakapag-play din sila. Diba? They had their own plays, they were
Right.
able to set up. That's what you want to see.
Exactly. He wasn't
You were
being
Coach
unreasonable.
Jerry.
Ano?
Yes.
Parang sinasabi niya, okay yan. Better energy for UP here. Carlos sends it to the net. This is crucial time. It's back to a 3-point lead. They brought it down to 1.
Yun yung ayaw mo naman. Complete opposite. Ayaw mo mangyari. Poor first ball. They were not able to set up. Kaya si Carlos nahirapan on that third ball, on that attack.
Let's see who Amy will target. Free ball for Ateneo. Lai was there. Estraniero goes behind her. Molde sends it to the other side. Morado opens up to Eliza, and Valdez puts it away.
Liza Valdez again going cross court and getting it to go.
You need a point, you go to Baldo.
Sa gitna eh. Para dalawang wing available. Kung ipipilit dito, hindi ka na nga nakatingin eh. Hindi mo pa maitipid, di ba? Sige na, gola. Good rally tayo. Sige na, tuloy lang yan.
Huwag naman ganyan yung first ball. Pagsagaan.
Ayan. Pumilit ka sa block. Hindi ka nasa likod ng block. Overlap ka. Wala kang kukuning bola ron.
One last stand here by the Lady Maroons to try to keep their Final Four hopes, well, not Final Four, but their season alive. While Ateneo's 3 points away. Molde, Lai, Buitre, bumalik sa UP. Lai to Carlos. Coverage from Ahumiro. They open up to Valdez.
Oh, and Valdez going
The same.
same spot. Going to the same spot, getting another cross-court hit.
Yeah, that's what MVPs do, Mosey, when things are going crazy, when plays are getting broken. The clutch performers, the superstars, they deliver in the big points. Carlos gets it back. And now Tiapson will come right back into this match as the other team, Ateneo, is 2 points away from the finals. Molde will serve. Carlos, Buitre, and Tiamzon, full front line for UP. Let's see if they maximize. Back to Eliza.
And Eliza Valdez just really pounding away.
15 points for the Batangueña.
Trying to finish this match.
Gia Morado at match point to get them into their 5th consecutive championship series. Hinabol nila. Tiamzon. Hekiliana is checked. And again, it's Tiamzon who does the difference.
And she's been very effective in this match,
Today,
partner. Yes, so if the efficiency niya siguro very high.
Yung inasahan natin sa mga veterano, Berzola and Tiamzon, they've delivered.
Nag-deliver. That's
So,
true.
their head should be held up high here. The captain and the probably the most all-around player that they have in Nicole Tiamzon. In the meantime, Ateneo at match point, 20, serving 24. Morado, Hekiliana, checked again.
Carlos, ito yung, again,
Nawala.
Carlos, sayang
Yeah.
yung late na itong search siya, but this is not yet over. Pero ito sana yung gusto natin nakita from the very start, di ba? Lalo na
Agreed.
kay Carlos.
All is not lost yet for UP. A looper of a serve. Morado goes to Valdez. Valdez puts it away and gets her team into their 5th consecutive finals appearance. The defending champions are back to where they wanted to be anyway. So congratulations to them, but hats off to UP
Yes!
this season, Mosey.
Oh, exactly. Ano mo, lahat tayo we wish that they would go back to the Final Four, and they did. And ito na nga siguro, again, this is a start for a new generation
Yes.
of UP players. But
Future
sabi
looks
mo nga,
good.
and very good. And sabi mo nga, ang maganda rin that the veterans came out to play today.
Future looks good. They're in good hands. Dozen years since they were in the upper echelon, the upper half of the UAAP. They're back there and they have something to build on for next year with all the rookies and sophomores. But Ateneo, you cannot take away the spotlight from them. They get back to the finals. And we'll talk more about this and wrap this baby up when we come back. We're back inside the Mall of Asia Arena. Ateneo winning in straight sets, 25-19, 25-16. Very exciting third set, 25-21. They get into the finals and they will wait between LaSalle and FU. They have their own Final Four collision happening. And UP will end their season entering the Final Four for the first time in a dozen years. Congratulations to them. In the meantime, the person who had the ability to score towards the end of that third set when things were going a little bit wrong for Ateneo was, of course, their MVP, Eliza Valdez. She tows her team into the finals and she chats with Laura Lehman again. Go ahead, Lau.
Boom! I'm here once again with the phenom, Eliza Valdez. Now, Lai, what happened in that third set? UP was able to catch up, but how did you guys recover?
Siyempre, yung UP naman hindi bibitaw yan. Labanan dito, championship, di ba? So, lahat lalaban lang. But then, I think my teammates and our coaching staff, sobrang gusto lang talagang manalo in today's game. Kaya, wala. binuhos na lahat kanina sa last set.
Okay, and as a senior, it's your last time entering the finals and you made it. So what's your message to all the people who have supported you throughout your UAAP career?
Well, first of all, we thank naman the Lord for giving us the opportunity to play against a championship, and then all the people who cheer for us, who believe in us. Lahat talaga, thank you so much, and we'll see you. We'll see you sa finals po.
Okay, and when we get back, Boom, we'll be joined by someone who is very close to the heart of Eliza. So abangan niyo po yun. Back to you, Boom and Moshi.
All right, the incredibly popular, talented, and skilled, and incredibly charming Eliza Valdez, the MVP for today's match. But Mosey,
Yes, let's give credit also to Maraguinot, who was so steady all throughout the game. 17 points for
taas
her.
ng porsyento, no?
10 attack points, 3 block points, and 4 aces. And also credit goes to Gia Morado, who had 3 points, 1 attack, 2 service points, and 39 excellent sets.
yeah, Gia was also great today. As we go back to Laura Lehman with a special guest. Go ahead, Lau.
Boom, for the first time, I am very honored to be joined by Eliza's father today. Eliza naman, say hi to your dado.
Hi. Mwah!
Okay, his name is Tatay Roel. Tama ba po? So, unang-una po, anong klaseng bata si Eliza noong bata pa siya?
Simpleng bata lang siya, tahimik, hindi siya lumalabas sa bahay, parang nandun lang siya. Yun, sinasama lang ng mga kapatid siya para lumabas ng bahay. Yun lang siya, parang tahimik lang siya, na simpleng bata lang.
Tahimik daw. Oh, iba kasi ngayon eh. Sige po, at ano po ang pakiramdam na ganito siya galing at sumisikat na siya dahil sa volleyball po?
Wala lang man. Parang yung pa rin yung buhay namin. Parang simple lang yung buhay namin. Kaya nagpapasalamat lang kami na ang dami sumusuporta sa kanya. Doon sa mga kinikilos niya na sana ipagpatuloy niya yung ganun siya na nandun lang siya sa baba. Yun lang. Baka magkamali ito eh.
At may challenges pa po bilang isang ama ng freedom?
Naman, parang kami, yung pamilya namin, ganito pa rin eh. Yung pa rin yung takbo ng buhay namin.
Sige po.
Walang nabago. Ganun lang. Kung magkakasama kami, parang yun pa rin. Yung ano siya nung dati. Yung pa rin kami.
Sige po, salamat po sa interview. May gusto mo bang batiin?
Binabati po yung lahat naming kamag-anak at saka lahat na tagahanga ng Ateneo, taga-suporta. Thank you sa kanila. Sana makuha na natin yung ngayon, yung final, sana makuha natin.
Sige po, at may message ka ba po kay Eliza?
Sana huwag siyang magbago na ganyan pa rin siya sa mga supporter niya. At saka yung pag-aaral niya, ayusin pa niya kasi meron pa naman.
Sige po, salamat po Tatay Roel. Thank you po Eliza. Alright, that's it for now. Back to you, Boom and Rosie.
Thank you very much, mga tubong Batangas. Gusto ko yung sinabi niya, tama na, baka magkamali pa.
Ako naman, gusto ba natin i-rate sino? Si Coach Tai ba ang gumaling mag-English o si Lau ang gumaling mag-Tagalog?
Mahirap yan. Mahirap
magbotohan
pag-usapan
natin yan.
In the meantime, they're happy for sure, but they're going to enjoy this win and prepare for their opponent, whoever that will be. And we'll talk more about the schedules for UAP when we come back after these. Another much-awaited match between the Lady Spikers, who have a twice-to-beat advantage, and the FU Lady Tamaraws, who are peaking at the right time, Mosey.
Yes, and kaya nga very much anticipated yung matchup na yan for tomorrow.
Yeah.
And along with yung NU Bulldogs with Adamson Soaring Falcons.
Correct.
And again, another volleyball day tomorrow.
Must watch volleyball.
Yes.
And we hope to see you here at the Mall of Asia Arena for those two games. If not, well, we're going to be live on ABS-CBN Sports and Action. Before we say goodbye, your thoughts, I want to start on UP as we say goodbye, Mosey. The future of UP, Jerry, and the players.
Well, obviously, everybody saw a UP team. As young as they are, you know that they have a bright future and you expect them to be a better team next year.
Yeah. In the meantime, the defending champions will move on to the next phase of their campaign. 5th straight finals appearance. They won a 3rd straight title after their 8th Final Four appearance. Eliza Valdez and the rest of the Lady Eagles go to the finals and will await the matchups between LaSalle and FU. For Mosey Ravena, Laura Lehman, Nina Alvea, Derek Alneri, and the crew for ABS-CBN Sports and Action. I'm Boom Gonzalez saying goodbye, and we'll see you tomorrow as we continue to broadcast in high definition.